How many kilos?
200.
200.
200.
You're so strong.
You're so beautiful.
Hee
Maganda. Oh. Then, we still have to, where are you going to eat?
Eat.
Filipino food. Filipino?
Oo.
American.
Mr. Barbell.
What's the barbell?
That one.
Can't hear you.
Superman!
Oh, man. Peace. That's it. Cut in.